Welcome, curious minds, to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into just an astonishing discovery, seriously transforming how we see prehistoric life. Imagine this, a whole lost world, thriving beneath the sea near Indonesia, hidden away for what, over 140,000 years?
Mm,
So in this deep dive, we're going to unpack exactly how this forgotten realm, which was apparently teeming with giants, wild beasts, and ancient humans, how it was actually found.
right. And what's really amazing is that it wasn't some big planned dig. It started completely by chance. Near Surabaya, that's in East Java, workers were just doing routine dredging work on the seabed, and they literally, well, stumbled upon something incredible.
Incredible's right. A massive cache of fossils just lying there.
Exactly. Incredibly preserved, too, under sand and marine debris, just
And
waiting.
when you say massive cache, you're not kidding. I read over 6,000
Over
specimens.
6,000, yeah. Just an enormous amount of material. And the creatures. We're talking ancient Komodo dragons, huge prehistoric buffalo.
Okay, wow.
And then the real titan of this lost world, the Stegadon. This extinct elephant-like animal. I mean, it stood over 13 feet tall. Just imagine that.
13 feet. That's immense. But wasn't there something even more significant found alongside these giants?
There was, and this is what takes it from just an amazing fossil find to something, well, truly groundbreaking. Alongside all these incredible animal remains, they found two human skull fragments.
Human skulls. From that long ago.
Exactly. And not just any fragments, they looked strikingly similar to Homo erectus remains. Homo erectus, an early human ancestor known for spreading widely. Specifically, they resembled finds from the Sambang Makan site nearby.
So what does that imply?
Well, researchers think these could represent some of the very last surviving populations of these early humans in Southeast Asia, living right there with the megafauna in this coastal environment that's now underwater, long after we thought they'd mostly vanished elsewhere.
Wow, that really changes the picture. Coexisting with 13-foot stegadons.
Right. It's a stunning image. And finding them there pushes back timelines, expands their known range.
Okay, so you find these amazing fossils, these human fragments.
Hmm.
How on earth do you date something like that accurately? We're talking over 100,000 years. Must have been some skepticism.
Well, the dating techniques nowadays are incredibly sophisticated. They use something called optically stimulated luminescence.
OSL.
OSL,
Right.
right? How does that work, basically?
Basically, it measures the last time mineral grains, like sand, were exposed to sunlight. The energy builds up in the grains while they're buried. So by measuring that stored energy, you can tell how long they've been hidden from light. It's like a natural clock.
Okay, clock in the sand. Got it.
Exactly. And using OSL, they confirm these fossils, including those really important human bits, are between 119,000 and 162,000 years old.
119 to 162,000 years. That's a solid range. Very precise.
It is. And that kind of precision is crucial. It really pins down the timeline for this lost world, leaves very little room for doubt about the age. So for you, listening right now, this isn't just some old story. It's genuinely reshaping what we know about early humans in that part of the world. It paints this incredibly vivid picture, almost like a movie scene, right? Humans walking alongside these absolute giants in a land that was lush, wild, vibrant, until the sea claimed it.
Yeah, it really highlights how dynamic the planet is, how landscapes change, and the resilience of life back then.
So, wrapping this up, it's quite something to think about. A whole thriving world just lost to time, now giving us clues from the ocean floor.
It really is profound, and the significance, it's huge on several levels. First, just the sheer number of specimens, over 6,000, that gives us an incredible snapshot. You've got iconic creatures like that 13-foot Stegadon Komodo dragon.
Like a whole ecosystem picture.
Exactly. But crucially, finding Homo erectus fragments right there with them in that specific environment, that's the key connection. And then having that solid dating, 119,000 to 162,000 years old, confirmed by OSL. It just fundamentally shifts our understanding of early human life, their capabilities, and the whole prehistoric landscape of Southeast Asia. It's an unprecedented window.
A window onto a lost world. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What else lies hidden beneath our seas, just waiting to be found?